That's the wiring, right, for the power supply. It's all correct, ACC and BT or B+. That's the earth connecting to the negative of the battery. That's the mirror already connected. Now I on the car. 1, 2. Car is on. Camera is on.
Continuous recording will now start.
You can see the camera is on, but it will switch off in 1 minute, even not touching it. This is a back camera. Okay, just try to move it. Okay, back to the main menu. This is the power charger, which I'm saying that it cannot hold the power for more than 1 minute. It will shut off by itself. There's something wrong with the circuitry. If the power is correct, the mirror will stay on. But this mirror now will stay on only for 1 minute. You will see that it will shut off suddenly by itself. It's not even on power mode or power standby. See, it shut off for no reason. Even if I were to press this power button, nothing happened. I didn't touch anything. The car is still on. Car is still on. Alright. Everything is still on, but the mirror is off. And even if I unplug this power, it's useless. See, I put it back, it doesn't start. This means this guy does not feed any more power here. Even I press any button here, this thing has no power. So in order to reset this, you can either reset this earth so that you reset this guy, or you go back there to reset all the wire, which is impossible, right? So I just do this, okay, and I connect back. Alright, you see, this guy restart and the power is back. My car is still on. See, the car is still on. Alright, and the mirror has to restart by itself. I mean by this guy who actually shut it down. This piece of thing is okay. Alright, it is this power supply, this power charger, that is not doing its job. It just shut off by itself after 1 minute. Theoretically, it should hold. Even if while he's still working, I can do this. I can do power off, and you hold the power. Alright, and when I press this one, it should come back. Oh shit, it doesn't work anymore. Now you see the power supply is also down. Now see, you come back. But this guy, if you let it on, it will just shut off. So don't touch this one, right? Just leave it, everything leave it, and it will just shut off, right? But I cannot be touching this button every time. Once it's shut off, the button here is useless. You have to restart everything by pulling out the power to this guy, to restart this guy in order to have power back to here. So right now the power is back again. You see, it restart by itself, and then it shut off by itself, and it doesn't restart again. You have to unplug all this wire and retool. Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. This guy need to stay on. So there is something wrong inside that shut off the electricity. So even the electricity feeding to him, he doesn't feed the mirror. So he's not good, not stable. The mirror is okay. Why the mirror doesn't stay on is because there's no power to this cable. It's because this guy stopped working after 1 minute. You see, as I speak, right? It just take 1 minute, this guy will shut off because this guy has no more power while the car is still on. The power feeding to the box, to this charger, you see, it's gone. No matter what I do now, it's gone. Alright, it's all gone. Even unplug this. This is a power supply, right? There's no power. This means this guy refused to continue with the power. Period. So they have to resend me this power again. Okay, this one, power charger.